The crimson flow, the cross displayed through precious blood, my debt is paid. Riches of grace, deeper than seas, poured out on sinners just like me. Forgiveness full, love without end. In Jesus Christ, my dearest friend. Oh, how He saved, oh, how He stayed my ransom. Through His blood was paid. No shame remains, no guilt I bear. He lifts me up with tender care. From darkness into light I run, redeemed forever by the Son. His grace, a well that won't run dry, a song that lifts my soul to fly. Forever I will sing His name, for by His love I'm not the same. Riches of grace, deeper than seas, held in His arms eternally. Forgiven now, made clean and new. All praise, oh Lord, belongs to You.